Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very yummy healthy vegetable cabbage stir fry recipe that will help you with your weight loss journey, burn some of those calories and maintain a very healthy body size. Very healthy if you're looking to live a very healthy life and not eat the wrong kinds of foods. Trust me, you will love this recipe. So in order to come up with this vegetable cabbage stir fry, very yummy, the first ingredient I add, or the first vegetable I add, is zucchini. So you can use zucchini, you can use courgette. Any of them are just very good, very filling, plus very nourishing. So I'll be using one zucchini in here. They aid you with your weight loss easily digesting. That way nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. So this is one zucchini. You just slice up into the sizes you feel comfortable, and it depends on how you want to slice your vegetables, and you're good. This is very filling and equally boost your system to burn fats and nourish your system as well. So the next vegetable which I love in my stir fries, which is very good at boosting metabolism for fast digestion, that way you maintain a healthy body size, cleanse your tummy, you lose some weight as well, is cabbage. Very healthy. If you're looking to eat foods that will not store up in your system causing belly fat and weight gain, fall in love with this recipe with cabbage in it. So this is half a cabbage. What I do is I chop and I soak up in boiled water. So this is stir fry, you don't want to eat kind of like too raw cabbage. So when you steep it in here in this hot water for like 10 minutes, it softens up a little bit, not really raw in your stir fry, having you cook all your stir fry. And carrots too as well. So that is 2 carrots sliced. I just soften with some hot water so it doesn't get too raw in my stir fry. So that is just the trick. And these are my peppers. Sorry, I'm too fast. I don't like my videos really too long. I'll be adding these peppers in here. Very good for your stir fries. They bring in flavor, bring in a lot of antioxidants, so yummy, bring in a lot of fiber to keep you full for long, so and easily digest so fast as well. So this is a meal that you eat and nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. So this is very healthy if you're looking to maintain a healthy body size, or you're in a weight loss journey, you're looking for something like really healthy to help you with your weight loss. This is very good. So these are the different kinds of peppers I'll be using depending on you. I love them. The fiber keeps me so full, plus very nourishing. So these are them sliced up and set aside. So now this is 10 minutes. I have to take the water. I don't want this too cooked. I took out the water. It is still crunchy but not raw, so it doesn't take long for me to do my stir fry. Plus this is my cabbage, very clean. When you wash it this way, it is really it is crunchy but not really raw in your stir fry. Yeah. The next thing I'll be adding in here is this green leafy vegetable. You can use parsley, any green leafy vegetable of your choice, just to bring in some green leafy vegetable in here. Plus the flavor from this is very good. It has a very good flavor. So you just chop up a little bit and add in here any green leafy vegetable of your choice, like parsley, whatever, depending on you. Very nice. And the next one I'll be adding in here is onion. So I forgot to mention I'll be adding onion in here. Onions are very cleansing as well, very detoxifying. I'll be using a quarter size of onion in here. You just want to slice up into some good sizes that So yeah, these are the ingredients, the fresh ingredients, and what I use as my oil is either coconut oil or olive oil. So these are the healthy oils I use. You can see I have them in giant quantities. That is what I eat. I stay away from all the bad fatty oils. I go for oils from nuts like coconut oil, and So yeah, that is it. I put in 3 tablespoons of oil in the pot, and I added my onion. So please go for healthy oils. If you don't want bad cholesterol in your system, try to eat either olive oil or coconut oil. So add a pinch of salt. I don't eat a lot of salt. I add a pinch of salt. I add half a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of ginger you want to add in there. half a teaspoon of ginger, not a lot of spiciness here, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. That is it. It tastes so mild yet so beautiful because the peppers equally bring in some more flavor in here. So you don't want your food too spicy, but just natural and taste so good in the mouth. So these are the peppers, the zucchini, the onion. Like, just put your ingredients and make sure you stir, so the different spice you use kind of get infused in your vegetables, so they taste so good. So this is basically how you go about it, and stir this. And then the next thing I add is my cabbage. Yeah, so remember, we soak this cabbage in hot water, so this doesn't, it's almost like good to eat now. Not, it's still crunchy but not raw, kind of raw. So make sure you always soak your cabbage after slicing in hot water, so it doesn't get raw when you're eating. You don't stir fry for a long time. I avoid frying a lot, so you just do it mildly on low heat. And this is what I add in here, some chicken. I'll share with you the recipe at the end. If you want the recipe of the chicken, you can actually eat your stir fry without the chicken if you're vegetarian. But if you eat meat, I'll share with you the recipe of the chicken at the end. So you add it in here. It makes everything taste so yummy as well. It makes everything, like, this is so nice, so healthy. Plus chicken is white meat, which is healthy for you. So I either go for chicken or I go for fish, and I love me this recipe. Plus I'll share with you what I'll be eating with it, or you can just eat it like this just to keep your system so cleansed. And these are the kinds of recipes you want to go for if you want to maintain a healthy body size. So now this is the recipe for the chicken for those who are not vegetarian, who eats meat, but the healthy kinds of meat like white meat. So this is a pinch of salt I'll be adding in there, half a teaspoon of salt, chicken bouillon, half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and just this dried pepper. So depending on you, you can put the spice you want in yours, but this is mine and it tastes so yummy. So you mix everything to make sure the spice get infused, and I drop in 1 tablespoon of oil, either coconut oil or olive oil, just to make those spices get infused in my chicken. Plus the oil helps with the steaming. So I try as much as I can to avoid frying this time. I don't really like a lot of fried meat. Okay, like, yeah, this is it. This is onion. I grated some onion with parsley. So this is just onion and parsley, like a quarter size of onion and parsley that I blended. And yeah, just for some more taste, thickness, to give me some sauce in there. And so this is how I will steam it up. You just put it on your stove, low heat, allow it to steam. I don't really want to fry. Steaming is healthier than frying, so I try to avoid frying as much as I can. And this is the steaming method. This is how I steam it up, just on low heat. It keeps getting dry and getting like crispy, kind of, but not really frying. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Like, this steaming method, you see how it gets to the way I want it, and this is how I put it in my vegetable stir fry, and very healthy. This is how I eat it with sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are low calorie, very healthy as well, and digest so fast. Like, this is what you want to be eating if you want to maintain a healthy body size. You will never have belly fat eating these kinds of meals, and leave in a lot of nutrients into your system. Like, this is so nourishing plus very yummy. If you like yummy food, share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.